Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Honda CB500F. This bike is beautiful condition, only 571 miles, and it's got a lot of really cool upgrades. Standard equipment includes the LED turn signals, but it's got that little Puig windscreen. It's got the engine guards, a really awesome sounding Leo Vinch exhaust, fender eliminator. It's got the tank pad, give you more grip on the tank. Again, 571 miles. This bike is in beautiful shape. Come on by, make your CB500 twin cylinder dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.